also I went to Miniso again and I got more stuff. Okay, in the other video I got like the Winnie the Pooh. And I got the one that I wanted. And I got another one because I liked it so much. So let's open it. Okay, so I want this one now. So okay.
You got the
I got the little I don't really know what this one's called. The little
this
dog.
guy.
Yeah.
New fear unlocked.
So cute. Okay, now let's open this one. Okay, let's open it now. I want this one, the brown one. Okay. You guys look first, okay? Oh, it's so soft.
Look,
Oh,
AJ.
it's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, that's it. Bye, y'all.